welcomes you all. In this video, we are going to learn about how to identify top ranked journals. Go to browser, type simacojr.com. I will pronounce one second. simacojr.com, simacojr.com. After entering that, you can see that home page of SJR, that is Simaco Journal and Country Rank, where you have an option to search here directly from the home page. Say suppose I am interested to learn about the journal International Journal of Business Intelligence and Data Mining. After enter the name of the journal, if you click here, then you will get these details: International Journal of Business Intelligence and Data Mining. It is published from United Kingdom. The publisher name is InterScience Enterprises Limited. You just click here, you will find the journal detail. The country of the origin, SIR ranking of United Kingdom, subject, coverage, publisher, publication type, ISSN number, coverage. This journal is indexed from Scopus from 2005 onwards. And this, while you click this home page, it is automatically go to the journal web page. So International Journal of Business Intelligence. So this is a journal web page where you can able to see the editorial board, submitting articles, procedures, and other information about the journals, etc. So again, you are going to hear how to publish the article, contact, join the information, and in the down you can able to see quartiles score, SJR score, citation per document, total sites, self sites available for this particular journal, what are all the international external sites per document, international collaboration percentage. So all the information you can able to see. So this journal is coming under Q4 list. I will explain you what is Q4. And while you go to home page, again you are clicking with the journal rankings, where you can find that the top class journals as on today. So the top class journal is a CA, a cancer journal for clinicians. These journals have highest in terms of SJR value, that is Simaco Journal Rank Indicator. Okay, so that is 88.192, that is coming under Q1 journal. H index for the journal is 156. Total documents, this one 36. Total document for 3 years 129. For 2019 alone it's 36. Total references 2,924. Total sites for this journal is for 3 years is 22,000 around, and citable documents for 3 years 89. Sites per document for 2 years is 255.73. This one is average amount of reference per document is 81.22. So while looking to the top of the journal ranking page, you can see here all subject areas. While you put it as all subject area, you can able to see the total number of journals are 30,891. If you click this button, you can able to download the entire journals which is listed under simacojr.com. Suppose I am interested to learn about, maybe I am interested to learn about computer science area. I want to know about the discipline on computer science. Maybe in terms of computer science, I am interested to learn about artificial intelligence. And throughout the world, in all regions, I am just clicking here, and all types of journals. Suppose you are interested to know about only book series, journals, or conference proceedings, or trade journals. According to that, you can search it. Or now I am searching all types. Then you can also search the documents as on the date. Suppose I am interested to learn on last year data, that is 2019. You just click here, you will get the data. So here, this is the top ranked journal in terms of computer science, artificial intelligence field is considered. that is IEEE transaction on pattern analysis and machine intelligence. This is a journal type and SJR is 7.536. H index for this journal is very good, that is 344. Total documents for the year 2019, that is total articles published is 218. Total documents, total articles published for last 3 years 626. Total reference, number of references include this journal for the year 2019 alone is 11,000. Total citation received for the journals for last 3 years 15,000 around. Citable documents is 601 and cites per document for 2 years is 26. That is average number of amount of reference is 54.33. And what do you mean by Q1? Yeah, I have already said in the video. I will explain the Q1. So Q1 means it is a quartile value, that is every subject or each subject category of journals is divided into 4 quartiles. So each subject category or each discipline of the journals is divided into 4 quartiles, that is Q1, Q2, Q3 and Q4. Q1 is occupied by the top 25% of the journals in the list. Q1 is occupied by the top 25% of the journals in the list, and Q2 is occupied by journals in the 25 to 50% of the group, and Q3 is occupied by the journals in the 50 to 75% of the group, and Q4 is occupied by journals in the 75 to 100% of the group. So I look into here, all the top journals are Q1 list. Okay, and you can also search some of the journals are Q2, that is also good. That in terms of ranking, the analysis will be given by the Simago journal and country rank. So suppose I am interested to learn on maybe say I am going with mathematics. I want to publish the articles in the area of applied mathematics. Say example, I am looking for the India. I am looking for the Indian journal, and I'll search for all datas and for last year. See here, this as per the India is considered, the mathematics, applied mathematics is considered. This journal is top ranked journal, that is differentiation, equation and dynamic system. See the value of the journal, quartile value Q3. So Q3 means, so that is the ranked journal, Q3 ranked journals, which means it is occupied by the journals in the 58th to 75% of the group. So, but in India is considered it is a top ranked journal. So look into that figure of H index, total documents published for the year 2019 is 96. It is also good. So SJR value is 0.279. So you can see that all the journals are in India. So likewise, you can search any number of datas, any number of journals according to your discipline. Say whole discipline is all subject area, or there are different subjects are listed here: social science, nursing, neuroscience, medicine and etc. You can search based on the discipline wise, based on the country wise, based on the journal type and based on the year. So I hope you will enjoy this video. So thank you very much.